So, so ngayon, nandito ako sa Old Cemetery dito sa Cotabato City, Mindanao. And I'm drinking Mountain Dew. So, ayan. Eto, meron ako nakita dito na mga libingan talaga. And meron ditong nalagay na Gregorio M. Ubog Jr. Ayan, March 13, 1959 to March 19, 1915. Ayan. And meron pa ako dito nakita, Emelia Ong. Montanier de Ong. Ayan, 1875 and died, birthday niya is 1875 and died on February 12, 1961. Together with, Justino Marquez. Ayan. Family Ong pala to. Lahat to ay family Ong. So, you know what's happened right now. Our name is here written in Cotabato City, Mindanao. Shout out to Ong and Onching family ng Antipolo, Rizal. So, ayan. So, yan ang mga katibayan talaga. Ong lahat yan. O, yan. This is Catholica Cemetery. Ayan. 'Di ba? Ito yung mga magandang cemetery na kumbaga dito yung Old Cemetery, ang unang Catholic na cemetery dito sa Cotabato City. That's all family Ong. Ayan. So I have a third eye. So excuse me po sa inyo po na nakahimlaya. Sino po ba talaga ako? Pwedeng remind sa aking panaginip. So, ayan, rest in peace po, ayan. Pag nalinis nila to, pupunta ako dito. Meron pa dito si Trinidad, Manubag, parang Alba ba to? So, ayun. Ito yung view dito sa Cotabato City. So, see, we're Catholic, right? Our religion is Catholic. This is Catholic cemetery. And sinasabi ng mga kaklase ko noon sa high school na why I'm staying in the river, in the tabing ilog, because some of those people is already in the subdivision here in Cotabato City, Mindanao. So ayun, explain mo yan sa media. So ito yung view dito. So ayun, there's no safe place to all target any individual out there. Take care always, everyone.